Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how you can create your profile backlink, your profile on the taplink.cc. So this is a website and you can see I just created a profile for the my different brands, Jabma, where I'm working. So you can see this is how it's looking. So in this video I will show you the step by step. So how you can create the profile on the taplink.cc and what is the right way. So before we started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 86, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 75. The spam score is 20%. So yeah, it's quite high, but they are providing no follow backlink, so these things cannot gonna do hamper the impact your website authority. So no doubt you can create your backlink here. So let's start first. Let's remove the username and navigate to the home page. So you can see this is the home page. You can click on the create tap link for free. Here you can put your email address, and then after you can click on the get started for free. Then again you can click on continue. Here you can choose your password. Then after you can click on the continue. So you can see the your account is created. Now what we can do, you can click on the link in bio. So you can see these are the templates. So there is a category option, so you can choose whatever the things are suitable for your brand, the whatever you wanting to create. So you can see there are a lot of categories according to your brand nature. You can choose the template. So let's research something: seasons, weekend, services. So you can see these are the templates. I think this is looks relevant to me, so I'm gonna to proceed with this. Then after you can click on the choose. So this is your customizable blocks. So first we need to update profile picture. So there is a you can upload your avatar. Click on the upload button, and here I have my all files. Then after you can click on upload, and you can see, then after you can click on the save changes. So you can see this is the uploaded. And first we need to change your brand name. So click on this. Here you can change your brand name, DML. Then after you can click on the save changes, and I guess here you can use your main targeted keyword. So like I'm providing the digital marketing services, so let's proceed with this digital marketing services. Then after you can click on the save changes. So you can see here I included my main service and my main targeted keyword. Here you can add your some of the important link like your about page. So if you're wanting, so you can also change the modify these text and what I do. So I think this looks good for me. Here you can attach your website URL. So let's open the my website DML training, and I guess that I created my about us. So this is my about page. So let's link this page here. So you can insert your page link here. Then after you can click on the save changes. There is the my blog. So latest update. I like to change the text. My blog, blogs and update blogs, and here I can insert my blog page. Then after you can click on the save changes, and also we can change this. So online store, so like there I'm providing the services. So let's open the services page. The okay, I guess we don't have the separate services listing page. See, might I don't have right now. This is my main backlink page, backlink listing page. So where I listed my all backlink profiles, the pages. So let's make it link here. So backlink list. Here you see all backlinks list. Then after you can attach your website URL. Also you can change the CTA accent from there. Like if you're wanting to attach your web pages, so you can stay with the website option. If you're wanting to change any another accents, so you can see there is another options like the call, send SMS, and the send email, save contact, go back, email, sign up, are the any embedded page. So there are many options. You can proceed whatever you like. Okay, Then after, you can click on the save changes. So you can see we have updated here. There is a last the contact option, so you can also change the contact page. You can also attach the contact page from there. So like this is my contact page. So let's open this, and there is an option to, if you're wanting so the send email, so you can stay with the send email. Either if you're wanting to display your contact page, so you can put your attach your contact page here. If you're wanting to add any another block, so you can see from there, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, here you can see there is the add block option. So from there you can attach some another things like the image carousels, images. These are the biz things. I don't know what is this. You guys will explore these things. There is a video option, so you can also attach your videos. So this feature only available with pro rate plan. So please video paste video for quick view directly to your page without going to another site. Okay, so this is a pro feature. Then after, okay, so link option, there is also the link option. So if you're wanting, so you can attach your video or anything. YouTube, there is a YouTube option, so you can click here. Then you can DML add some your here you can add some text like the your YouTube channel name or the whatever you like to add here. Then after, you can attach your YouTube link. So this is my page. Let's add here. Then after, you can click on the save changes. So you can see we added. If you wanting, so you can add one more block. So like there I have two YouTube channels. So let's add the another YouTube channel here. So this is my another YouTube channel. So we'll prove and add this as well. And then after I inserted the web page, then after you can click on the save changes. Once you guys will complete all the things and you satisfied with this, so then after you can change. Okay, so there is a many option, so you can change your location. So you can check what the things should be suitable for you, settings and the actions. So from there you can change your background image, the picture you do not want to you cannot change your background image because this is a pro feature, so you can only play with these things. Okay, then after, also this option available on the pro feature. So let's proceed with this, save changes, and everything looks good for me. You cannot hide this copyright because this is also the pro feature. So once you guys will satisfied with all the customization, then after, you can see there is a get the link button. You can click on this, and from there you can change your profile username, like the username dot taplink dot in whatever you want. Also there is an option for the taplink.cc, then your username. So I think this would be the good fit for me. So DML training. Then after, you can click on the connect button and you can see the link is created. And if I can copy this link, copy link, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved or not. So you can see this is a brand name, keywords, all the pages, whatever the page, if I can click, it should be going to open in the next tab, the same tab. And these are my YouTube channels. So suppose like if I'm clicking, so it's going to open in the same tab. Okay, so overall this is the process to how you can create your backlinks in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you or your friends, so you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys are wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project or suggestion, so I can provide I attached my social links in the description section, so where you guys will easily connect with me. And for the last, if you guys are wanting to help me something or support me, so definitely you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because your little support helped me a lot and motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So okay, bye bye and take care.